Hello and welcome back to another video of Wisefuss. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Midjourney, exploring 10 awe-inspiring anime-inspired styles for part 1 of our video series about Midjourney 5.2, 30 anime-inspired styles for Midjourney prompting. Ready for a visual treat? Let's go! In this thrilling episode 1, we'll be discovering a whole new spectrum of styles, inspired by the vibrant and captivating world of anime. Each style carries its unique essence that resonates with the anime aesthetic we adore. To create these breathtaking visuals, I used specific prompts inspired by famous anime series followed by different thematic keywords. This helped me generate diverse anime-like styles that are mesmerizing. To create these stunning images, I used name of anime series followed by additional words like lake, car, mountain, and cat. I have stuck with the aspect ratio of 9:16 for consistency, using Seed 777 for comparisons, but feel free to mix it up. Adding or changing words affects the results. Now, let's dive into the styles. A silent voice. This style echoes a typical anime look, offering consistent character portrayals across different scenarios. The characteristics, hairstyles, and settings exude a strong anime essence. Aeon Flux. Here we witness a blend of Midjourney's default aesthetics with a stylized touch. The raw style enhances visuals, especially in lake and mountain settings. Akira. Drawing from Japanese influences, Akira utilizes vibrant reds, focusing primarily on characters. While the default style sneaks in, the raw style refines the visuals, intensifying the anime-like experience. Castlevania. A dark medieval vibe dominates this style, highlighting lakes and mountains. The raw style infuses more anime-specific elements while maintaining a unique Midjourney touch. Cowboy Bebop. Characterized by its striking yellow hue, this style boasts visually appealing, uniquely illuminated cat images. The raw style further refines these visuals with an anime-centric approach. Devilman Crybaby. Draped in darkness with bold red and black tones, this style delivers a sinister vibe, despite the default elements. The raw style leans more toward an anime-inspired interpretation. Ghost in the Shell. Infused with a robotic, dystopian atmosphere, this style hints at cyberpunk elements. While the default Midjourney aspects remain, the raw style leans into a more realistic or cosplay anime aesthetic. Kaiba. With a fusion of Midjourney's default style and anime-inspired design, Kaiba offers a unique blend. The raw style leans towards a stylized anime presentation, especially evident characters and landscapes. Kiki's delivery service, embracing a cutesy and soft vibe with a predominant red color palette, this style captivates with charming tree images. The raw style oscillates between realism and 2D anime aesthetics. Miraculous Ladybug. Radiating with a red-themed, visually appealing ambience, this style showcases captivating tree imagery. While the raw style holds similar elements, It tones down the sparkle while maintaining its charm. And there you have it, 10 amazing anime-inspired styles in Midjourney 5.2, each offering a unique blend of Midjourney's default visuals infused with elements reminiscent of various anime series. I hope you have enjoyed this exploration. Remember to experiment and explore these styles yourself. Thank you for watching.